Good morning, everybody. It's Chris here from Stream Education with a continuation of the Forex analysis for the 21st of September 2010. I'm just looking at the sterling against the US dollar pair on our CTC strategy template on Metastock Pro, and I'm just going to have a look at the daily time frame. And we had a lot of selling yesterday, and that was pretty much due to the news. We had some really indifferent news yesterday. So after almost a exhaustion candle we saw on Friday, primarily I think this happened, well, this occurred because anybody who actually was long for that period was actually scalping out of their positions, and we saw a close to the downside. But indecision day, and this pretty much equated because we saw figures yesterday on mortgage rates approvals down, some cases quite a lot, by 6% apparently, and we saw a noticeable drop. But what it's done now is it's brought the pair to a support area, i.e. the 20 period and 50 period are now acting as a support area, and if it can hold ground above this area here, previous resistance and support, then we could see a further or potential bounce to the upside. Okay, and if we get that bounce, then we'll have another swing high. So we've got a swing high here, we had another one here, and ultimately we'll get another swing high, and this could be classified as a continuation. And our first port of call, which we've already tested, would be the high of that candle. Okay, but ultimately our call would be here at 1600. A retest of 1600 would be the ultimate gain in, for the next couple of weeks. Okay, so let's have a look at the intraday time frame. Noticeably, what we're seeing at the moment now is a lot of hesitation over the Asian market trading session. You'll notice on the 15-minute here, you can see it on the upside, but very inconsistent. Okay. First thing to see is that's the high it's managed to achieve this morning in trading. So it needs to break. If we to see more upside movement this morning in particular, it would need to break the high of that. So 1558.50 at least. Nice close above that area there would see us retesting 1561.50 to start with, and then more to the upside. Okay. Remember, when you're trading below the 200 period moving average, this green line here, we are in a bear trend, and if you're trading above, then we're in a bull. So you can see for the first time, pair has broken through, and we're trading below that level now. So in order for this to be considered bullish again, we need to be trading above that range. So, and to start with though, we want to see it be trading above this in order for us to even think about long positions for today. Okay, so in a bit of a squeeze at the moment. Wait for a breakout confirmation on either side of that would be great for a 5-minute time frame. You can see on a 30-minute time frame how the 50 period moving average is acting as a serious resistance level here. Failure to do so since Asian market open. We saw a rally, and then subsequently it's just headbutting at the moment and failing to break above that. And we have the 200 period moving average not too far off from there. So a lot of resistance in terms of ceiling levels. You'll notice that pair has broken below and now hitting the underside of that support and resistance line, i.e. in the 200 period was above it. A failure to do so this morning, guys, would see more selling on this pair. First port of call would be, like I mentioned, on the 5 minutes or 15-minute time frame, would be here roughly around about 1553.50 or 15, and ultimately a break below that would see a further fall and a retest of areas in the region of 1540, 47.50, etc. So it's going to be interesting this morning. It would need to break and close higher than 1560 for us to see a continuation to the upside. A failure to do so we would see these areas being tested throughout the day today. So be aware of that, and I'll be back with the Swiss franc next. Take care.